Today we're making Malunggay Pandesal with a twist of garlic. The key. Yum. First off, you prepare your breadcrumbs. Ta-da! I'm baking it at 200 degrees Fahrenheit for an hour, and then after that 250 degrees for 10 minutes and 5 more minutes on the other side. Soak the malunggay leaf. In this case, I'm using dried malunggay leaves. If you're using fresh, you need to blend it with the milk. Garlic? Yes, sure. Who wouldn't like garlic? We need about 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic. We need 2 cups of bread flour, 1/4 cup of sugar in the mix. Add in 1 1/2 teaspoon of yeast, a teaspoon of salt. Add in 4 tablespoons of butter. Add in our malunggay mix. Add in 1/4 cup of warm milk. Now we're ready to grind. We need to start slow until we reach the desired consistency. It looks like it's ready. The dough is ready, so you have to cover it and let it rise in a warm oven for at least an hour. Time to turn our bread, and it's looking good. Yeah. Now let's make our breadcrumbs. This is like the easiest way to do it. I think this is ready. The dough is ready. Looks good. It's ready. So the dough is ready, and we have to cut it in half and form a ball. Like this. That's one. And that's two. We'll save it for later. So this is like the easiest way to make a log. You make a hole, you cut it once, and you stretch it just like that. Okay, so our goal is to make 2 feet.
Having fun?
Yes.
Around the whole kitchen?
Yeah. We have to pour some breadcrumbs beside it. This is easier. Okay, so we roll our dough breadcrumbs. Make sure we cover all areas. Okay. Our first log is looking like this. But if you wanna be precise, you can weigh it like 40 grams. That should be a good size. Our second log is ready as well. The smell is incredible. I can't wait to try it. So that is how it looks now. We still need about at least 30 minutes to let it rise again before baking. 16 pieces. 16 pieces of yummy goodness. It looks like our pandesal is ready for baking. 15 minutes later, our pandesal is cooked. We bake it for 15 minutes at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Cookie. Success! How does it taste? Good. How do you like it?
Pandesal in the mitt. Just like Mom never made.
There you go, guys. I was glad I doubled the recipe. It was addicting. You should try it. Malunggay Pandesal with a twist of garlic in the books.